All right, going back to a football story, defending champions Cavalier FC and Treasure Beach secured 3 valuable points, while leaders Montego Bay United were held to a draw in action from the Rare Nephew Jamaica Premier League on Sunday.
Cavalier have found the going tough in recent matches, registering just 1 win in their last 7 games. They bagged 3 crucial points courtesy of a 35th minute penalty from Christopher Ainsworth. Cavalier coach David Layla says they have been working extra hard in training to get back to winning ways.
Well, definitely. We have been fixing, trying to get the right blend at the end of the day. We know at the end it's going to be one of those tough games back to back. So we think we are fixing it. We're getting there.
Racing United head coach Anthony Patrick summed up his team's performance.
With the finishing boots, we never connect right today. I think we play right in Cavaliers and we possess the ball a whole lot. Cavaliers play a low back and try to catch on the long and the counter with the long ball. And I keep speaking to the team before the game from yesterday that Cavaliers is going to play a lot of long ball, so we must prepare for that. But when that happens, I think the mix-up between the central midfielder and the goalkeeper. Just clear the ball. The keeper should reach before, but that was one of those things.
Meanwhile, at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School grounds, Treasure Beach FC scored a much-needed 4-2 win over Tivoli Gardens. It was Treasure Beach who took the lead in the 5th minute before Tivoli Gardens equalized in minute 12. Treasure Beach went further ahead through a goalkeeping error in the 26th minute. Tivoli again handed Treasure Beach another gift when a defender's goal made it 3-1. A 55th minute goal from Janoy Williams cut the deficit to 3-2 and gave Tivoli a fighting chance of getting back into the contest. However, Navarro Blair put the icing on the cake for Treasure Beach in the 90th minute with this beauty. Treasure Beach head coach Kemar Ricketts says his team still has a lot of work to do to stay in the league.
Objective remains the same. It is another 3 points. We still have things that we can improve on, and we want to improve as we go along. We need consistency as well. That's something that we're working at. So, we'll continue to take some steps forward into staying in the league.
Tivoli's coach Jerome Waite bemoaned the lack of discipline from his team on the day.
The indiscipline really is atrocious today, and as a result of that, we lost this game. Not to take anything away from Treasure Beach, I think they did well.
In the day's other games, the Dunbeholden FC continued their resurgence with a 1-0 win over Chapelton Maroons at Turner's Oval, while league leaders Montego Bay United were held to a 1-1 draw by former champions Arnett Gardens at Jarrett Park. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sport.